ng police operation through implementation ng search warrant ang joint units ng Regional Special Operation Unit ng NCRPO with the Anti-Cybercrime Group and the Bureau of Immigration dahil doon sa reports nga na mayroong mga foreign nationals, particularly mga Chinese nationals na nag-stay dito at meron silang mga ginagawang online illegal gambling. So based on the information that we received, nag-verify tayo sa Business and Permit Licensing Office ng Makati at na-find out natin na hindi sila registered entity. At the same time, we also check with the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation of PAGCOR and na-find out din natin based on their certification na hindi sila under PAGCOR's accredited or licensed POGO, yung tinatawag nating Philippine Offshore Gaming Operations accredited service provider nor mga pending applicants. So, base doon at meron tayong ginamit din na informant or asset na nakapag-penetrate dito, we applied for search warrant at binigyan na tayo. And then, upon